Welcome back to how to book it from your hotel room. I mean basement, or in this video, maybe I mean hotel room, or your mother-in-law's, or your parents. My dad makes quite the reader. Okay, you travel for work, or you're on vacation, or visiting family, or maybe you're in the amazing situation of auditioning while you're already on a gig. Let's do it, the hotel kit, plain and simple. If you can turn off the AC, do so. If you can't, don't worry about it. Just make sure you're clearly audible. Okay, this is a piece of cake to pack and set up. You just need a non-shiny sheet, no silk, just a baby blue or lavender sheet or cream sheet or a non-distracting color that brings out your skin tone, and some gaff tape. Okay, gaff tape, if you don't know about it, is the most genius invention ever. I literally have my car bumper gaff taped to my car right now. Get it on Amazon or wherever online. But for auditioning, the genius of gaff tape is that it won't take paint or wallpaper off the wall. So you can pop up that sheet and tape across the top and then peel it off and you're all good. It's strong enough to hold the sheet and nice enough to leave the paint. Once that sheet is up, you need a tripod set up for your phone or your camera. If you're traveling light and you have a mini tripod or mini phone tripod set up, just stack it on some furniture or books. I like to use boxes because they get up high quick. They sometimes are a little flimsy, but I just let the camera settle and I'm good to go. And get that head level and you're all set to tape. Finding a reader might be your one challenge. If you're in Raleigh, give us a buzz. Or tip someone at the hotel to read. Or FaceTime or Skype a reader or coach. We do it all the time. That's my biggest recommendation. Just make sure you position your device with their face in your eye line. You can tape with your phone and have the reader on a laptop or vice versa. And that actually works pretty well nowadays. The laptop really serves as its own tripod if you can set that up right, so that it's stable on the box and then you put the phone on the tripod next to it with the reader. Okay, that's it. Now go book it from your hotel room, or your basement, or your mother-in-law's, or your grandparents' house, or your parents' house, or your...
They get it.
All right. Go get it.